Dear friends, now I shall list some important results of complex cube roots of unity. These are very important for any joint entrance maths problem. Please watch the complete video. If you are new here, please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for the future updates. Friends, first one is omega cube is equal to 1. Second, 1 plus omega square is equal to 0. Number 3, x cube minus 1 is equal to x minus 1 whole into x minus omega into x minus omega square. Number 4, omega and omega square are roots of x square plus x plus 1 is equal to 0. Friends, fifth one is a cube minus b cube. A cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b whole into, obviously you know the part a square plus ab plus b square. This can be written a minus b omega into a minus b omega square. Sixth one is, friends, this is a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca is equal to a plus b omega plus c omega square whole into a plus b omega square plus c omega. Seventh one is a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc is equal to a plus b plus c whole into a plus b omega plus c omega square whole into a plus b omega square plus c omega. Eighth one is x cube plus 1. X cube plus 1 is equal to x plus 1 whole into x plus omega into x plus omega square. Ninth one is a cube plus b cube. A cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b whole into a square minus ab plus b square. This can be again broken a plus b omega whole into a plus b omega square. Friends, 10th one is most important. Cube roots of a real number, say a, are respectively a to the power 1/3, a to the power 1/3 omega, a to the power 1/3 omega square. So to obtain the cube roots of a, we can write x cube is equal to a as y cube is equal to 1, where y is equal to x upon a to the power 1/3. Friends, solution of y cube is equal to 1 are respectively 1, omega and omega square. So friends, we can conclude that x is equal to a to the power 1/3, a to the power 1/3 into omega and a to the power 1/3 into omega square. Please write all the basic facts, that means the results, important results in your copy. These will help you to solve or to find the solutions of important problems of joint entrance. Some important results involving arguments. Let Z1, Z2 and Z are three complex numbers. Okay. So friends, first of all we write arg of Z bar is equal to minus arg of Z. Second one is arg of Z1 into Z2 is equal to arg of Z1 plus arg of Z2. Third one, arg of Z1 into Z2 bar is equal to arg of Z1 minus arg of Z2. Fourth one is arg of Z1 upon Z2 is equal to arg of Z1 minus arg of Z2. Now friends, in these three, LHS and RHS may differ by a multiple of twice pi. Is modulus of Z1 plus Z2 is equal to modulus of Z1 minus Z2 if and only if arg of Z1 is arg of Z1 minus arg of Z2 is equal to pi upon 2. Sixth one is modulus of Z1 plus Z2 is equal to modulus of Z1 plus modulus of Z2 if and only if arg of Z1 is equal to arg of Z2. Okay friends, the seventh one is, this is also very important, modulus of Z1 plus Z2 square is equal to modulus of Z1 square plus modulus of Z2 square plus 2 modulus Z1 Z2 into cos of theta 1 minus theta 2. So we can write this as R1 square plus R2 square plus 2R1 R2 cos of theta 1 minus theta 2. Friends, last I want to state another one. This is very important and you should remember it. So I want to mention it with a different color. A triangle ABC, where the complex numbers are respectively Z1, Z2 and Z3. This triangle ABC will be an equilateral triangle only if Z1 square plus Z2 square plus Z3 square is equal to Z1 Z2 plus Z2 Z3 plus Z3 Z1. This is also an important result of complex numbers. You should remember all the results. This will obviously help you to find the results of complicated problems of joint entrance. Thank you. Have a nice day.